Hello everyone and welcome back. In this video I will teach you how to create emoji in Telegram. So creating emoji is really simple. What you can do is simply, let's just say, open a chat, and there we have this emoji section. And to create the emoji, of course, you're going to be uploading it manually. You can use it from your gallery and upload it over here. You can see we have multiple emojis over here as well, and you can head over to settings. You can see we have show more emojis. So if you want to add customized emojis, you can use third-party softwares as well. So yeah, this is basically what I suggest you guys do. If you want to make your own stickers or emojis, you can easily do that. You can click on this plus icon and add your emojis in here. So this is how you can create your own. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video.